first 2 fish. Way out here. Landon, me and my dad. We caught a little puffer fish. It went through the top of it, that's the best. Hey, chill, bruh. I'm trying to help you. What is it?
Nice.
Oh!
We'll eat that.
Nice, dude.
Alright, so you want to stay here now or what?
Nope, look at him over the side now.
Good. I think it might be.
So we're out here fishing kind of in the middle of nowhere. And I think I'm gonna try and get in the water at 64 feet. Not entirely sure. I think I can make it to the bottom. It's just whether I can equalize pressure-wise and just not have my ears pop. So we'll see what that looks like. And I'm just gonna hop in the water and grab the GoPros.
Yeah, baby.
I got the pliers behind you.
Landon, see it?
That's sick. This is crazy. Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff right here. So we came up, got the other GoPro. There's still that school of fish right below us. Got some fins. I'm gonna try and get down in the middle of them a little bit better. Got up out of the water, found a super cool school of something. I have no idea what it is. And looks like we're going to a new spot just because we're not really catching anything here.
You ready?
So as you guys know, we were out here fishing offshore outside of Tampa Bay. So 26 miles offshore. And on our way back, we just came across 3 cruise liners, but they're all anchored and empty. Just want to kind of show you guys. There's 1, 2, and then the third one's right here. They're all just stuck out here because of the coronavirus. They can't sell tickets and it's too expensive to stay in port. So I'm assuming they just anchored up out here. That way they don't have to pay those port costs. but their boats are still safe and out of the way. Just wanted to bring it up because it's crazy to see even 20 miles offshore, coronavirus still has an effect and it's still messing with people's lives and dailyhood, or their ways of making a living. A bunch of boats around here fishing around the cruise ships, but it's nuts. It's very eerie to see a bunch of abandoned ships out here. But we stopped, just fishing a little bit here on the end. Landon's caught a little grunt, and we're gonna head back in. It's starting to get a little windy, a little more rocky, as you can probably tell by the camera movement here. But been a super awesome day. Got in the water, got to see that school of fish, just kind of hanging out. Good way to spend quarantine out here on the water with Landon and my dad. Oh, Dad's got something. Let's see what he's got. Snappers? Not too bad.
Eat it or let it go? Probably let it go, huh?
Yeah, that one's small enough. We should let it go. Landon's got the biggie. Oh, he's got another one. Holy fish up here. The same fish.
No, his other fish is back there floating.
Because he ate it so. Oh, he did it actually die?
Yeah.
He ate the hook too far? That stinks. Well, we're still marking fish. I think we're gonna go fish Egmont when we get a little closer inshore, so we'll catch you then. Hey, so we just got back to the house. Cut up the snapper.
No, just leave it in the cooler though.
Pull out the grouper to cut it, and it flipped off the boat and swam away. So we only have the snapper now to eat. So we're back home. I'm covered in salt. I'm all salty because we got in the water and was diving around. So there's only one way to really get the salt off. Time for a swim.
Come up,
Mm-hmm.
and it was white, and it just kind of drifted over there by the mangroves. I'm like, I wonder if that's that fish. So I went over there. Sure enough, it's laying there upside down.
Like it wasn't
the
the
ladder was full. It couldn't hold itself down. So I went out there, and got my hands underneath it, and grabbed it, and I started to lift it around, and it took off again and went into the bank. And I let the water clear, and it's sitting there. Grabbed it, threw it up in the bank.
Really?
It's going in my belly.
We got the grouper back. Crazy.